watching the ABM Video Network. Hi, I'm Mark Fleith, and thanks for watching. The realities of the current economy have presented events professionals from business media companies with serious challenges, including lower attendance at face-to-face events and waning commitments from sponsors. Increasingly, new tools and technology have helped make virtual events emerge as an effective option for trade show producers. Recently, we visited the Chicago offices of InExpo, the leading provider of privately branded virtual events, including virtual trade shows, virtual career fairs, and virtual corporate events. We spoke one-on-one with Malcolm Lotzof, the CEO of InExpo, to find out more about the kinds of interactive features that allow companies to extend their brand and engage audiences 365 days a year. Let's take a look. Can you tell me a little bit about your recent website launch?
One of the challenges that we have is that we've always wanted to have an integrated website and an interactive website. So what we did now is we have a front-end website that really has two areas that you can go to that are pretty unique. We have the traditional website, which is available for search engines so that the search engines can find us. And then you're able to log into something called InExpo Live, which is our virtual event platform, and we're using our own technology to promote our own products through that platform. In addition, we have a separate platform called the VBiz, which is the InExpo office, which is a virtual representation of our physical offices, where we invite our customers and our employees all to come and interact and network with each other.
Can you tell us about the kinds of capabilities technology like this could potentially offer for B2B trade producers or B2B media companies?
One of the best ways to enhance an experience is through the use of video. So some of the areas we use video, for example, we use video in presentations. Our new webcasting tool, ExpoCast, is completely integrated for video presentations. We allow trade show organizers to film videos at their physical events and then replay them through the virtual component of that event so that they can reach much more people with that video. For example, we will have the ability for anybody at the event to record a video presentation or record a video introduction for themselves so they can play that to people as people arrive. We have video blogs, and then the culmination of it all is to have the ability to have video chat. So when somebody comes into a booth today, not only can they do text messaging between the booth representative and the visitor, but now they can actually have a video chat with that person, and obviously that creates a much better experience.
Now, it doesn't seem as if many companies have aggregated all these different kinds of components under one platform. Can you talk about how you bring all of that together?
We adopted the approach of having a content aggregating engine as the foundation of our platform. And what that allows us to do is to integrate with multiple different technologies. So for example, if we wanted to have webcasting as part of the platform, we can use any webcasting platform and link to it through the engine. If we wanted to integrate to chat, we have our own chat, but we could integrate to third-party chat. So as long as some technology has a URL that we can get to, we can integrate to that technology.
Now, some companies deal with and pay for the cost for third-party vendors to create this kind of technology, but InExpo's developed it internally. Is it more cost-effective to develop it internally or externally?
We've been doing this for 4 years. We have a lot of functionality built in. So for somebody else to go and recreate the whole platform would be very expensive, very time-consuming, and you probably miss the market. So what we offer is two different ways for an organization to work with us. We offer a full-service event where we will do the event production. We will help collect content. We have templates that allow people to create their own booths, so that there's very little work for the organization that's hosting the event to do. We do it all. Then we have other organizations who we call our self-producers. Those organizations use us as a technology company. They then build a staff internally, and then they use our technology to create many events. So if a publisher wants to really generate a lot of revenue out of this and create a whole business, then they might create their own internal staff to do the event management, to do some of the content collection, to schedule things, and so on. But as a whole, we provide all the services, and certain of our clients will actually produce the events on their own.
Looking ahead to 2009, 2010, tell us about where you see the virtual trade show platform as a potential solution for B2B media companies or B2B trade show producers.
We actually feel that there are many, many reasons why the technology works in a good economy. So education, lead generation, communication, they're all things that have to happen. And the internet gives you the ability to reach much more people more cost effectively than in a physical environment. With the economy where it is, clearly in a recession, many companies looking to save money. This is just a very cost-effective way of doing those in a time like this.
Thanks, Malcolm. You can learn much more about how virtual events can work for you at ABM's Events Summit, a half-day professional development event taking place in New York on February 26th. Visit our website to learn more or to register online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.